Mr. Monday, let me get this a one ya.
Okay, don't you want to know the price?
Aye, sir. If me have to know the price, that means me can't afford it, don't?
Okay, sorry about that.
Yeah, you better sorry, cause my money big like me panty size.
Oh, I see. You're doing a Shatters parody. So this is the part of the movie where I get lucky.
Exactly. Maxine, done him. Anything or anything.
No, wait, that's not how it happened.
And you say you want get lucky. Well, this a bingo, jackpot, cash pack, lotto in a one go.
Okay, I don't want to mess up the skit, so let's go.
Take your time, Maxine. Take your